Welcome to Biology. Biology.
Hello guys, I am bringing you something fun that you can do with the kiddos during the summer. So this is a mini in-home DIY s'mores station. So with this you will need a dish, a bowl, marshmallows, chocolate, graham crackers, skewers, a lighter, and some cooking can fuel. So guys, these are just the only things that you need to do this fun s'mores station. So let's put it all together. So first I have a round big white dish that I'm going to put in the center of my round table. Next I am going to add in just a clear bowl. And now I am going to add in the can of fuel. So the next best thing is to add in your graham crackers because they are much smaller. And with these, you know, graham crackers always come with the 4. So I divide them into 2. So when you get ready to make your sandwiches, they will be wide enough. So I decided to make 3 sides to the graham crackers. So with the 3 sides, you can actually add the marshmallows and the chocolate and still have room with the dish that I am using. So next, what we want to do is add the marshmallows. After I have added the marshmallows, I decided that it was best to do the graham crackers in 4s. So here now I have divided my crackers into 4 different portions of sections. Now I am adding my marshmallows into 2 of the sections, followed by my chocolate. So I have broken the chocolate up in several small pieces and I'm adding them into only 2 of the sections. So that it is very easy and convenient to take, I put the skewers inside this small little mini glass, and that's where it's easy just to pick them up and to load the marshmallows on. So guys, this is what it looks like. You have all of your chocolate, your graham crackers, your marshmallows, and the fire is in its own individual little slot. So it's no need to go out and purchase the whole s'mores kit. You can make a quick DIY s'mores kit right at home with the items that you have. So doing this kit, guys, this kit cost me $10. So guys, now let's light our fuel can because it is time to have so much fun right in your own home, DIY, very inexpensive, and so much fun for the kiddos. So much fun. So I'm going to show you how I prepare and do my marshmallows to do my first s'mores. And yes, guys, I'm a big kid at heart too. I love s'mores. So here I am going to insert one of the marshmallows onto my skewer and place it over the fire. But I am that different type of person, guys. I love for my marshmallow to be slightly burned. And see, I even have the fire going on. So after I blow it out, I put it on a graham cracker, put my chocolate on it, and then smash it down with another graham cracker. And you have your own DIY s'more station right at your home, very inexpensive. So, guys, yes, here it is again. That first one was so tasty. Yes, I'm going in for a second one before the kids get hold to it because I don't have small children, but they absolutely love the s'more station. So, here I am going to do it a different way by putting my chocolate on a graham cracker first. And once again, guys, I told you I love my marshmallow quite toasty. So look at that fire. So now blow it out, put it on your chocolate, grab another graham cracker, smash that bad boy on, and why, yes, you have a s'more. Yes. So, guys, this is a quick way for you to have so much fun inside the home with your children, and it's so much fun for your children to actually help you do this and put the station together. So this is for all ages, but with the fire, please be safe for underage children. So what we're getting ready to do, we are getting ready to what? Eat some s'mores and play Uno. So here are my Uno cards, and now it is time to have fun. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. And I will be showing you some more kid-friendly things that you can do with the kiddos during the summer. So until the next time, guys, have fun, be safe, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn that red to gray. Turn on your notification bell. And you know what I always say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys. Bye.